Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw a pair of winter mittens. So first we're going to start out with the hand of one of the gloves. So we're just going to like a rounded shape, just like that. And at the bottom we're going to draw the cuff of the glove. And then like a line pattern, kind of like the knitted pattern of the glove. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the thumb of the glove off to the side here. So just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the other hand. So same thing, we're going to draw the hand part of the glove. And then the cuff. The pattern on the glove. And then the thumb coming out the side, just like that. And then we're gonna draw like a string connecting the two gloves, because usually there's some kind of, usually like little kids wear mittens, and there's usually like something connecting them together. So we're gonna draw a string connecting those. So we're just gonna come around like this, and you're gonna stop about right there. And then we're going to draw the other side of the string like this, and then just come around like that, just like that. And then we're going to not connect, but just use with your eyes. You can go through this string, and then you're going to come out here, and then you're going to draw the rest of the string up to the other glove. And then with your eyes, go ahead and draw, mentally draw the string through that string, and then you're just gonna bring it up to the other glove, just like that. So next we're gonna go ahead and do like a pattern on our gloves. So for the thumbs, we're just gonna draw, like we did on the cuff, we're gonna draw some lines, kind of like the knitted pattern on the cuffs. And then, so for this glove, I'm just gonna, now of course you can do any design that you want. I'm just gonna kind of just, have fun with your design. All right, and then I'm gonna do a couple little circles here. And then, as we did for the cuff and the thumb, I'm just gonna draw those lines. So it kind of looks like it's a knitted mitten. And then we're gonna do the same pattern on the other glove. All right, and then we're gonna draw those lines again. Draw the circles. And then the lines at the top, and then also the bottom part. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and outline our gloves with black marker. And make sure you do all the pattern, the inside of the glove. circles. And then the top part. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. And lines on the thumb. And then knitted lines on the bottom of the glove, in the middle, and then this little rectangle shape up here. And then little lines on the top. All right, and then go ahead and do our string. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines. I'm using this cute little fun eraser today. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and color our mittens. So I'm just gonna use this gold color for the little circles. Of course, you can use any color that you want. And then I'm gonna use that also for the string. Gotta be careful coloring that in because it's very, very thin. Okay. And then I'm going to use this yellow, oh, wrong side, this yellow for the zigzag section of the glove. Trying to coordinate the colors. I'm kind of using all warm colors for the gloves. All right, and then for the knitted part of the glove, I'm going to use this kind of like an orangey red color. So be careful. Kind of going out of the lines there. That's why I like to outline first instead of just color without outlining, because you end up with little mistakes like that. So we'll go ahead and color the thumb that color. color too. And our other glove. And while I'm coloring this, if you're liking this video, please like and subscribe. I do have several other videos on my page. So if you want to see more, I have some wintry ones for now. Since it's winter, there's a lot of wintry drawings on there right now. So and our last section. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave the part around the circles white, just for a little brightness to the picture. So if you like this video, again, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.